Hi, this is Moni Roy, and today here for Pink Villa, I'm going to do something that's called bad manners, which is peeping into anyone's bag. But you guys have decided to peep into my bag, so come let's see what I usually have in my purse. Well, I've been traveling a lot, so I usually have a lot of stuff with me, but then there are multiple bags that I carry in my bag, and it's like the Mary Poppins bag where you can find everything. So I move around with my entire house, but not all that is not here today. So let's see. Well, I guess first is the wallet. We all have a wallet. Well, I always, I don't know why this is outside, but I always have my books with me wherever I'm going. In fact, they're not inside my bag, they're always in my hand because the fat ones are really difficult to put in your purse. And right now I'm binging, so I'm reading The Spy. And my glasses, these are the glasses that I'm using right now. Okay, I have my everyday makeup with me, which will be, okay, it's just like kept like that. A sponge, okay, lip balm. This is very important. Lip balm and a lip tint. I have multiple lip balms and lip tints all the time. This is also very important. It's for your eyebrows, and you know, even if you have no makeup, you have dark eyebrows and a tint on your cheeks and your lips and your set. And well, I had a really nice blusher brush. It was very small and tiny, and a friend had gifted it to me. My stylist had gifted it to me, but I've lost it. So presently, till I get that back, I'm using. So this is my blush kit, and this is my blush brush. What else? Yeah, that's very important. Okay, a compact, a liner, kajal. Well, yeah, this is very important. A detangler. So after I finish this interview and I take my, take all the pins off my hair, I'm going to detangle my hair. What else? Okay, this is very silly, but I've started keeping this because when it gets like really hot at warm at shoots, and especially when you're shooting for a daily soap, you need it. And again, I am used to losing things, so there was an electronic one and it's gone, so brace yourself. This is fancy. So I usually have this to fan myself because it is really hot in Film City or anywhere outdoor when we shoot in Mumbai. And you know, the electronic ones, they just like, they go bad very easily, not good. If I absolutely had to know someone, she is no more, but she is my everything icon. Like, I really look up to her. Audrey Hepburn, yeah. Okay, so yeah, I have these charms that I keep with myself always. There's a black stone also, should be somewhere all the time. Okay, I don't know why I have a pair of scissors. I genuinely don't know why I have this pair of scissors with me, I think. Okay, so about my charms. I found this, I think 3-4 years ago on a beach. Must have come out of a little girl's clip or something. That's what I feel, because I can see glue here. I took that as the omen, and since then I always keep it. There are some stones, lucky stones, that I feel like they give me good energy and take away all the negativity. All those things are always there in my bag. Yeah, very important. Where's my notebook? Must be in the other bag. So I always have a... And I'm a bit of a old school person, so everything is like a memory. I think this I picked up from Stratford upon Avon, Shakespeare's birthplace, and this pencil is I picked up from Bronte Sisters Parsonage. So yeah, I wrote a few lines of Wuthering Heights with it. So pen and pencil are very important for me. Oh God, phone. Yeah, sorry, it's very important. And your headphones to listen to music when you're traveling, or otherwise, usually, you know, I travel a lot. So the moment I come out of an airport, I sit in the car, and the first thing that I do is put on my headphones and listen to my music. So that's quite nice. My perfume, it's one of my most favorite ones. I love woods, all kind of woods. So this one is my everyday, all the day night perfume, unless I feel a little bored sometimes and I decide to use something else. What else? Okay, yeah, I have multiple. Another miniature perfume. I think clips are very important. I keep losing them. I think we all do. Okay, yeah. So usually I have a big sanitizer bottle, so I'm not carrying it with me. But so use the hand sanitizer, then the hand cream when you feel all. If I could carry 3 people in my bag, they would be Mom, Isha, of course, I can't do without Isha. Okay, one can change. We'll keep that one option open. So wherever we need whoever, we'll prioritize that way and then we'll put that person. And then we'll have, I think, 7-8 other people to carry that bag because they would not be light enough for me to carry around. So I am not a gum person at all, and I love elaichi. I think it's more refreshing for me. So I have. Let me have some. I promise you, there's a lot inside it. Yeah. Okay. 3 decided to come out. I have a bad throat right now, so I have strepsils. I think by mistake I have kept my brother's headphones. What else? Yeah, wipes. Wipes, very important at all time, just to clean your face even if you're not wearing makeup. So this is very handy. So the moment there's a long flight also, like a 12-hour flight or a 9-hour flight, you get on the craft and you clean your face and then you moisturize and then you go to sleep. So these are very handy. So these are few things that are always there in my purse. So, but my most essential would be my lip balm, my elaichi, my charms, a pen, my perfume, and a book. Yeah, so these are and my cards. Yeah, I could do without a wallet, but then I need my cards. Do I have any money in it?